In today's video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how to publish a t-shirt on your Roblox group. So the first thing you want to do is click communities, go to your group, click the top three icons, click store, and as you can see, I only have one shirt, but let's say I want to add another one. So click create, it'll take you to the creator hub, click view as, and then click Mr. Megan Fan Club. Click creations, avatar items, then go to classics and then click classic shirts, then click upload assets and then upload your file. Then you're here, upload that, type in the description, then upload it for 10 Robux. It will take 10 Robux, then just click upload, turn on the sales, and then set a price for your t-shirt, publish the item. And now if you scroll down to store, it doesn't show it, but if you click see all, it shows you that you have it right here, and then you can add it, and then you can buy it. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe, but for now, goodbye.